Mark-10 Force and Torque Measurement Engineered Better. Hello and welcome. This video features Mark-10's EasyMESUR software. Let's take a look at the setup. We'll be doing some 3- and 4-point testing. Here's the configuration for 3-point bend testing. And also 4-point tests. You can see the G1097 anvil is replaced with a second G1095 bend fixture base. Eye-end adapters prevent grip rotation and allow for quick removal and installation. Let's load our test sample. Now, position the crosshead. Then set the home position. Running a test. Select an appropriate test type. Load limit, distance limit, brake limit, load hold, cycle. Load limit determines whether the sample will withstand a specific load. Distance limit determines whether the sample will withstand a specified amount of deformation. Load hold determines whether the sample will withstand a specified load over a period of time. The cycle test cycles a specified number of times between load and/or distance limits. This method is used for fatigue testing. Brake limit determines the load at which the sample will fail. Results. View results such as maximum load with corresponding pass-fail limits. EasyMESUR calculates statistics for a batch of samples. Create a report, including a graph, results, system configuration, and notes. For more information, visit www.mark-10.com/EasyMESUR. Mark-10 Force and Torque Measurement Engineered Better.